Alright, welcome. This is the third part of the fall of the IM1 Honors final review. Here, this is the third part. I will be covering number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 here. Alright, so for the following functions, write in recursive form. F1 equals to 5, and you have f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 minus 2. Okay, this looks like it is, it's the minus 2, so this is an arithmetic sequence. There's only a common difference, no common ratio. Alright, so it says select the equivalent function. So again, I'm going to make my chart to make my life easier. Right? Now, to get to the next term, the previous term, minus 2. So the next one is going to be 3, then 2, then negative, wait, I'm subtracting 2 from each one. So 5 subtract 2 is 3, subtract 2 is 1, subtract 2 is negative 1. Right? Go backwards if I want to find the zero term, which should be 7. Right? I think that's what I have here. Yep, I fill in the chart here. So the comment's negative 2 based on the given information here. Right? So I would say B because this would have the common difference of negative 2 and the y-intercept of 7. So it should be B right there. Alright, let's look at 12. Over the function, over what interval it is increasing. Very easy. You just look at this. That looks like it's only going up at negative 4, and this one is negative 3. So the answer should be A. Right? At 0 to 2, 0 to 2, it's decreasing. From 2 to 2, makes no sense, right? From 2 to 2, it doesn't change anywhere. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just at that point. 2 makes no sense. From negative 5 to 6, it goes from the end here to the start here. This is not increasing. It goes increasing, steady, and decreasing, right? So D wouldn't make any sense. They're just only increasing. A is the only interval that's increasing, okay? There you go. That's what it looks like. And again, you're just looking at the domain values here. All right. Let's look at 13. We have the SB Club is looking to hire a DJ for the next school dance. One DJ charges $20 an hour with a one-time hiring fee of $110. The second DJ charges $25 an hour but with a lower hiring fee of $80. For what amount of hours is the cost of the two DJs the same to hire? Right? So let X be the hours and let Y be the total cost. There are two DJs, so I'm going to set up two equations. Two equations mean it's going to be a system. Again, $20 because that is the rate amount, and the fixed amount is $110 for the first DJ. $25 is the hourly amount for the second DJ, and $80 is the flat amount for that DJ. Alright, so it is a system because you can compare them. Here you go. So in this case, I'm going to substitute is the easiest way here. So I set this in right here. Watch this. You see? Watch this. Boom. That's what I did. Right? I substitute the first one into the second one. That's what I did. Watch this. Second one, I'm going to copy. Ready? I'm going to paste right here in the second equation. Boom. That's how I got this equation. Okay? Alright. So I plug in the first equation into the second one. Now solve for x. Subtract 20 into both sides. I simplify. Subtract 80 to both sides. I get the variable on one side, the number on the other side. Divide 5 to both sides. I got x equals to 6. So it is the 6th hour. Again, I have an answer right here, which is going to be the 6th hour. But I would like to see the price at the 6th hour. So I plug in x equals to 6 to see the total cost at the 6th hour because y is the, remember, y is the total cost. So y equals to 236. Y equals $230 at the 6th hour. So both DJs cost the same at the 6th hour with a total cost of $230. So if you would like to hire a DJ, if you are using the DJ up to 6 hours, whichever one you pick, you will pay the same amount. Okay? Alright. So next, 14. Isaac drops a ball on a trampoline and records its height based on the number of bounces it hit the trampoline. Each bounce of the trampoline is 4/5 as high as the bounce when Isaac starts to drop the ball at a height of 12 meters. Right? So they asked us for a function. Here, let's make a chart to make your life easier. Okay? But here, I tell you that the first f of 0 is 12 because it starts right here. That's the keyword to drop. That is the key word here. And again, it is 4/5, right? It is a fraction, or you could say it's a percentage as well here. So I would say it is a common ratio, okay? So we know that it is 4/5 each time, okay? So the next, from 12 to this value, you're multiplying 4/5 times 12, right? 4/5 times 12 is 9.6. 9.6 times 412 gets you 7.6. So your answer here would be D, right? 12, starting value. Common difference, 4/5. Bounce 4/5 of the time. That is how you got it. Okay? There you go. Alright, so D would be the correct answer. Alright, let's look at 15 now. Alright, 15. The table shows a student's math score percentage over several tests. During which test interval did the students improve at the greatest rate? So, to find a change, again, you can use delta, right? So here I said delta y because this is the y column, right? From chapter 1 to chapter 2, you could go from 79 plus 3 equals 81, or you could do 81 subtract 79. So I just found the difference in all of them. I made an error here, okay? I made an error. C and D here both have the same delta y of 4.5, so both of them are valid answers. So there are two answers by accident. In reality, there should only be one. Okay, so from the third to the fourth chapter, you made a improvement of 4.5%. From the fourth to the fifth, you made a 4.5 percent also increase, right? So you see the change is the same, right? That's your greatest rate of change. So again, both answers would be valid. Both answers of C and D would be valid. Okay, so there you go. That is your solution for the third part of the test review.